Nursing is already a major issue, not just a future concern. At the Feistritz Vocational School, students have the opportunity to complete a future-oriented training in nursing assistance in cooperation with Schloss.
Welcome to Schloss Feistritz Vocational School. We are a 3 to 4 year vocational school for agriculture and nutrition with a focus on tourism and social studies. In the first 2 years, our students receive a basic education. I always say it's a school for life, everything you need for your future life. Starting from the 3rd grade, students can then decide whether they want to go into the tourism sector or the social sector. In the tourism sector, they can add a 4th year and then complete the final apprenticeship exam as a restaurant specialist, chef, or office clerk. Social skills are very important to us. They are not only taught in class, but also lived in the dormitory.
In the field of health and social care, we focus on the following areas. In the 1st grade, the basic first aid course is completed. Students learn theoretical and practical lessons in all areas of first aid. Building on the first aid course, students complete a children's emergency course. In this course, we focus on first aid measures specifically for infants and young children. In the 2nd year, students attend a 16-hour basic course in the field of care skills, where topics such as health and illness, personal hygiene, nutrition and positioning or sleeping are taught in small groups. In the Baby Fit course, participants receive valuable information about young children and infants. After completing the A3 basic courses, students receive a babysitter certificate, which they can present throughout Europe. In the 3rd year, there is the opportunity to train as a nursing assistant. It is a cooperation with the Schloss School of Health and Nursing. The training takes place alongside classes in the 3rd year. After 3.5 years, our students receive the Skilled Worker Certificate in Rural Business and Household Management. And those who have chosen the social sector graduate with a nursing assistant qualification. Feistritz Vocational School, the school for life,